Hi, today we are going to learn about AI. So one of the powerful model that is Copilot developed by Microsoft we are going to learn, and along with that we will understand few of the pointers about its architecture and how it behave, and simple application flow also will learn. So as you can know, Copilot is a AI, artificial intelligence model, and it is a build on cutting edge language model that helps us to understand the reasoning and respond in natural human like process. So basically it helps us to synthesize the knowledge, creativity, contents, assist with productivity. Basically it helps us in the productivity. And how it works: user provides the input and then it process and provide us the output. So it is a very powerful tool, and it has various processes, and it completely based on GPT model. So GPT is basically owned by OpenAI, and it is a free OpenAI source, and on top of that Copilot is based on. So various architecture models are there which we'll learn on ahead. So first let us go to know what is the architectural overview of Copilot. So this is, as I already told, it is a Microsoft, developed by Microsoft, and it is called as Microsoft Copilot. That's why. So it is core components are it is a large language model. So backbone of Copilot is large language model. So basically it has been fed with a vast data set which is helping the Copilot to process and give you the outputs, and it is very useful tool, and almost all organizations we are using this Copilot for our productivity. And its architecture is based on transformer based model, and which uses self attention mechanism to process the text efficiency. Suppose you are asking, please create a test scenario, or please create a test case for this scenario. So suppose you want to give him create a test scenario for login screen. So what it will do, it will take the input from user and process inside, and the database inside the large data set being fed to it. So it will check and it will process it, encode your things, and then decode it out and provide you the output. And output, if you provide it in your format that you need, then it will give you in that format. If you don't provide any like output format, it will create on his own way and provide you in the basic generic way format, and that will be very detailed, and you can modify and take it to a PDF or Excel and edit it out. So as I said, it is a transformer based architecture and large language model. Generally, it understands and generate human like text. So architecture overview of Copilot, and we have started with it. Now it originally it was introduced in attention is all you need. Transfer allow parallel processing of input and excel the long range of dependency in the text. And you can see architecture is already powered by the base. It is GPT and BERT, and also others there, but these are the most powerful and basis of this model. Then multimodal capabilities. Copilot handles text, image, voice, even screen content. You can give a text. What does it means? This various kind of this is, you can say, this is input media you can provide to Copilot so that it will provide you the output. So we will see in the demo how it takes the text as the input, image as the input, and voice as the input. And these are all well integrated with the Copilot inside so that it will give you output based on your input. So there is data integrity and privacy. So Microsoft D365, like it is an enterprise version, as you can see, and it has all flavor of applications, Word, Excel, Team, all these are there, and you can, like Word, you can summarize, you can ask for paragraphs, and Copilot will do anything. Suppose you want to write a topic on content, like write something on architecture of Copilot or OpenAI or Google AI search. So it will give you full hands-on, and it will share you the scenario base, or it will provide you paragraph base, or whatever font, tone, everything, it will help you out to write it down. And Excel basically, you know, the application where we write mathematical format, tabular format, reporting format, Gantt chart, pie chart. So the AI will help, and Copilot is integrated into that. Outlook, it is obvious a powerful tool where we get all the updates from clients, stakeholders. So Outlook now Copilot is integrated inside that, and you can see it out how it work inside. If you ask for summary, it will summarize, it will read your mail, and it will, if you form trained it out, so it will send mail on behalf of you. After, you can go for a review as well. Teams as well, like that, and it can read all the emails or read your calendars and give you the feedback. Likewise, summarizing, assisting, analyzing, automating task, all this usage. So security boundary, all user data stays in the Microsoft itself. So it not gone to the outside of the Copilot area. So multi-factor authentication is also integrated with Copilot, and you can see multi-factor in this is device label and in Okta label, and Windows also has multi-factor device and fingerprints, all these already incorporated. So it is quite safe and secure in terms of boundary and security boundaries. So workflow and orchestration, which is most important in the, when you ask a question, Copilot orchestrates the request by combining the prompt with the context. So as you know, prompts, whenever you are giving, as much as your prompts is very live, it will give you the result as it is. If you write a prompt with a new user, and then Copilot will provide, or AI will provide you the result like that. And if you like write a prompt with pro, then it will give you the answer like a pro. So better, first of all, we need to master on prompt as well. Then ground and retrieval augment generation. So Copilot often use retrieval techniques to fetch relevant data from the environment. Basically, whenever Copilot is integrated with the organization, and what we do in this label, you can see it out. So it will use RAG technology, and it fetch the relevant data. Suppose I am asking, my area of specialization is like for a QA, we are testing, and we are asking him, please provide me the test scenario for my scenario. So suppose my scenario is logging screen. So logging in with username, password, happy path. Negative path is provide wrong password, wrong username. It will throw you a error or validation. Suppose we have an area, and you can ask 3 parameters we are providing, give us the negative scenario, positive scenarios, edge case, boundary. So based on relevant data on your whatever you asked as a prompt provide, it will give you the real-time data. And response generation. So LLM processes the prompt and context, generates the response, and give you the format, as I said, as you need. So here one is small diagrammatic figure. I got it from Microsoft itself. You can see whenever you use feedback and iter, so you provide some feedbacks, or you give some users. Here starting point is from right side where we are clicking on user prompts. So you prompt like provide, act as a, give us a context. So context is be act like a expert BA, business analyst, or be act like a expert senior developer, and provide me a code which will design a login screen and with positive and negative flows. So what it will do, output you can give in this format as you intended. So once that is done and you hit enter, so it will come back and prompt the processing. The Copilot service analyze the prompt. Then it get into retrieval, data retrieval. Microsoft Graph fetches the relevant data, then process the model, and it fetch generate the response, and then response generation happens and present to user. And then it asks also, it is very interactive and powerful. It will ask you, like whenever you will give something, so what it will give, it will ask, it is like interactive mode. Suppose you have given to write a login screen, it will ask, shall I design with the area code? If you two parameters is giving, it will ask third scenario. Like in the tester's case, if you ask him, give me the happy path of the login screen, so it will ask, do you want me to go for a negative scenario? Once you're done with the yes please, so it will go for the edge case scenario asking. It is very interactive. So this flow keep on going as much as possible, and it helps us a lot. And moreover, it is very, very powerful. So let us get into a demo. This is my Copilot, and we can try with this sort of model. When you open in the Copilot, it will come, and here you can give act as a expert business analyst, share, please share me test scenarios for login screen, login page. Let's see how it goes. So you can see it is given login with valid password, username, valid email address, then invalid scenario is coming, negative scenario, field validations, you can try it out. So it is very helpful, and even it is based on, it has given 10 to 15 scenarios as per your need, and you can ask security test scenarios, usability test scenarios, everything, integration test scenarios, edge case scenarios, compatibility scenarios, you can see. And you can see, as I said, it is as human interaction is involved also. It is asking you, do you want me to go for mobile testing or it go on for the web portal testing? So if you give yes, it will go yes, or else no. So we can ask also generate a visual. We know it supports text as input. Let's see whether it gives us a visual input or not. So here you can also give ask, this is my test files, go ahead and analyze it, and based on this input please provide. So you can give your requirements and it will write. Let us ask if it is generate some visuals or not. Could you please share me, could you please share me a mind map for the above scenario. Here we go. So it is generating. So as you can see, it is taking some time and it is analyzing. Meanwhile, we'll go next and check. Here some of architectural view are there. I have already pinned it out. Copilot Vision is there. Architecture enabled, you can go through it. Let me quickly open this. Copy. Open the link. and we can try the other link as well together. You can see Copilot has his own site. Few of the you can go through it. It will be very helpful. This one I have taken from Copilot, so it is and you can also try to learn various sites are there where it will be very useful. One more we can try it out. Meanwhile it opens, it opened. You can try this one as well. Both are same. Let's see this one more. Open it up. So we need to accept it out, then it will download. Let's see how Copilot is doing there. You can see it is pretty much very useful, and you can open it up and check it out, the various login page model it is showing. So you can download it, you can take it to PDFs, as you know, it is very helpful. So that's it for today's session. So please go through it. If any doubt, let me know. Hope you like it. Thank you. Thanks for joining.